Once again, the miraculous event takes place in the company of gentle animals who seem to regard the newborn child with reverence. Look at the eye of the cow. It is amazing how Giotto is able, with just paint, which is really nothing more than colored dirt mixed with water, he's able with humble paint to create through light and dark, through form, an eye that feels like it's showing sentience, responsiveness. And then over here, the little lambs are down on the ground as if they are in a position of worship, recognizing the majesty and the miraculousness of the child. Joachim, huddled again in his robes, appears understandably exhausted, and Giotto expresses that with the simple form of the body, the tilt of the head, and how precise Giotto is with the light and dark around the eyes to create shadows and a sense of heaviness and weariness. The angels reappear, this time not one but 5, and we see them with their hands clasped in prayer, and notice the positions of their angelic bodies, one frontal, turning to the side, swooping down, swooping up. Giotto positions them with this turning in space to create a sense of three-dimensional depth, but also a sense of movement. It's as if they are dancing in their flight with joy at the birth of the miraculous child. Significantly, the humble shepherds appear again, witnessing baby Jesus and the angelic rejoicing. Giotto endows the sacred figures with shiny gold halos. Otherwise, the participants who witness this event are humble, plainly dressed in simple, inexpensive grayish cloth. Mary's cloth was originally a deep blue, the color associated with the Virgin Mary in medieval and Renaissance culture, but it is sadly chipped away. Giotto's emphasis on the ordinary people and the animals, the shepherds, the donkeys, all present for worshiping Jesus. This reflects the influence of Saint Francis, who had devoted himself to a life of poverty and who preached to ordinary people. St. Francis was particularly associated with love of animals and nature, with gentle, humble creatures. And so Giotto's vision is also very much a Franciscan vision.